Hey pool lovers, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm excited to review a really innovative product, the Betta SE solar-powered automatic robotic pool surface skimmer cleaner. This little gadget promises to keep your pool surface crystal clear with 24/7 continuous cleaning powered by solar energy and a rechargeable battery. I've been testing this smart device for several weeks, so let's get into what makes it special, and a couple of things you should know before buying. Solar-powered continuous cleaning. One of the standout features of the Betta SE is its solar-powered cleaning system. It uses the sun's energy to power its cleaning cycles continuously throughout the day, so your pool surface stays debris-free without constantly plugging it in or changing batteries. 24/7 automatic cleaning with rechargeable battery. Even when the sun isn't out, the Betta SE has your back. It includes a rechargeable battery that kicks in during cloudy weather or at night, ensuring uninterrupted cleaning around the clock. Twin salt chlorine tolerant motors. This cleaner is designed to handle saltwater pools like a champ. The re-engineered twin motors are salt chlorine tolerant, meaning it resists corrosion and maintains high performance in both salt and traditional chlorine pools. Automatic surface skimming. Betta SE automatically skims the water surface, collecting floating debris such as leaves, bugs, and pollen. This keeps the top layer of your pool clean and inviting, reducing the load on your pool's filtration system. Compact and lightweight design. Finally, the unit is compact and lightweight, making it easy to handle, install, and store when not in use. No heavy lifting or complicated setups. Solar power efficiency. It's eco-friendly and cost-effective since it uses free solar energy to clean your pool all day long. Saltwater pool compatibility. Those twin salt chlorine-tolerant motors are a big plus if you have a saltwater pool. Continuous 24/7 operation. Thanks to the battery backup, you get non-stop cleaning, which means your pool surface looks great day and night. Limited to surface cleaning, this cleaner only handles surface debris, so you'll still need a separate solution for deeper dirt or bottom debris. Battery life could be longer. The rechargeable battery is great, but on very cloudy days, you might notice a drop in cleaning performance. So, if you're looking for an eco-friendly, low-maintenance way to keep your pool surface spotless, the Betta SE solar-powered robotic pool skimmer is a fantastic option. I've dropped the product link in the description below. Go check it out. If you found this review helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave your questions or experiences in the comments. Thanks for watching, and here's to cleaner pools.